So there's this weird sound coming from out of the Don Valley Parkway here in the ravine in the actual valley. It looks like, sounds like. I don't know if anyone knows what this is, but it's been going on for quite some time. You can hear that. I'm just looking into the trees here at the edge of the ravine. Still going after half an hour, so don't know what it is. People don't seem to be reacting to it at all, so it's like it's normal.